Hi guys, welcome back. Todd here again with TW Home Show. I got a comment recently on one of my videos. It was my kitchen lighting video where you walk in the kitchen and you pass by a motion sensor on the kick plate and it would turn your kitchen lights on. Well, I had a viewer named Kate. She commented on that video. She said, I would love to see you do something like this for a staircase. I'd like to have 8 stairs with 12-inch LED strips centered on each step. Then I'd have a landing and about 7 more stairs. I'd like to have them activate about 3 seconds apart to give the appearance of the lights illuminating just as you step on one before the other. So I researched this and I think she was talking something along these lines here. I'll put a little section of video up where this project here that you're seeing costs hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it includes a lot of wiring that you have to install and an actual programming box. But I think I've come up with a lower end solution that she might be satisfied with, and I thought I'd share it with you viewers here too today. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at it. Okay guys, welcome back. Here's my solution. It's a simple, cost-effective solution. It's battery operated and requires no wires, and it's easy installation. It only will take you a matter of minutes once you unpackage your box that you receive from Amazon with this product in it. And the product is Mr. BEAMS LED lights, and comes in a box like this, and they're the model number MB706. This is actually a 6-pack. They came 6 in this here, along with the hardware screws and double-sided sticky tape. This is the actual unit. It's got a sensor right here, motion sensor, and it also senses light. So it's not going to come on right now because I'm in bright camera lights going on behind me. And it's only got one LED, but this sucker is really bright. I'm going to show you in just a moment up close. But when you purchase this pack, I believe it comes in a 2-pack and a 6-pack. I got a couple 6-packs to do all my staircases, and I gave a few away as Christmas gifts this past Christmas. But here's the 2 mounting screw holes, or you can use their double-sided tape. Both of those come included with it. And if you just slide this back case up, that's your battery compartment. This is an easy slide release here. And I actually set these on my staircase without taping them to the kickboards on the staircase going up, so I can just grab them easily if they run out of batteries and replace the batteries. They look just as well just sitting there like that. They have a flat bottom here. And keep in mind, you can use these outdoors too. The manufacturer says you can use these outdoors. I would suggest on, like my last house, I had a deck that I built. Put them around the side of your deck or on your deck stairs leading out to your yard. And these are weatherproof, so you'll have built-in lighting when nighttime comes, and also in dark hallways. But let's take a look. So you got 4 batteries in here. I've already got these in here pretty fresh. Now I bought these, the whole set, and lined my staircase with them for my mother-in-law that visited around the holidays, and she stayed up in the upstairs guest room, and she requested more lighting on the stairs, and I'll show you in just a moment. She loved the new lighting. It worked really well for her coming up and down the steps in the evening time and early mornings. So we're going to go ahead and go mount one of these. I'm going to do it not with the screws, but the double-sided tape in the dark hallway up in our guest quarters. So stay tuned. Okay guys, follow me. We're going to go upstairs and I'll show you how these lights are working right now currently. And I got some around this way. So that's them all on. They stay on for a few seconds and they automatically shut off to save battery. That's how they work. Okay, now we're in the hallway up here. This is our guest quarters, we call it. And a couple bedrooms over here. Staircase over there. Bedroom and a bathroom here. So I'm going to install it in the hallway about right here. Okay guys, on this small little job, I would recommend a level on this because these are kind of rectangle, longer. You don't want to have it crooked. So we'll take our double-sided tape. Go ahead and put that on there, nice and straight. Eyeballing it. And peel the back side off of it. We're ready to hang. Now, I'm going to hang it about this height. This is probably about 14 inches off the ground. I just want it to sense their feet as they walk past. That's it guys, all done, easy as that. Anybody can do this. You'll have these hooked up within a matter of seconds after you receive them at your door.